Okay, so I just built the application with my daily deal changes with an action link, Ajax action link. And here's how the screen looks. So I had to scroll down to the bottom to be able to see my change. And if you see, I have a semicolon here, which is a mistake. So this we don't need semicolon in the view. So I just have to take it out and then rebuild it. I'm thinking maybe this daily deal should move to the top because I don't want anyone to miss out on the daily deal because they have to scroll down. Maybe I put it here. I'm going to rebuild and take a look to see what it can do. There's my daily deal. Okay, so let's do a control shift I. That's going to show us the code behind. Let's see what we created. Okay, so if you see, this is just a link, like a ahref link, plain link. The class has been set to button primary, just like how we showed in the action link. Then you have data Ajax is true. Data Ajax method is get. Data Ajax mode is replace. Data Ajax update. It says update some anything, an element with the ID, daily deal, and then you have the href. So for the most part, it's just a regular ahref, as you can see, but there's a whole bunch of data dash attributes, as we call it. So all these attributes that are data dash got added because we used the Ajax HTML link. Ajax action link and not HTML action link. So this is where all the parameters that we gave in the Ajax options have been translated in here, and that is why we see all of these. In order for this to truly work as Ajax, there's not like code behind yet, right? We just added a link that is ready to make some server calls. That's all that has happened today. When I click on it, it's going to error out because it does not know about a method, an action method called daily deal. Let's see. So now it says it does not see store manager / daily deal because we have not created that code behind yet. That main logic to make the server trip has not been done yet. And that's what we are going to do now. Okay, so our code, we have done this portion, but we have to make sure we do the code behind. Before we get out of the view, let's make sure that we add a reference to the unobstructed JavaScript in our code. So we have scripts here. All we have to do is we don't want the validate, we want the jQuery unobstructed ajax min.js. As MVC comes, this was not included, just as the package was there. This was not included. Before I recorded this lesson, I noticed that it was not included. I went to project, NuGet, okay, project, manage NuGet, and typed jQuery unobtrusive Ajax min and got it, which is what you probably want to do. That's what I searched for, jQuery Ajax. I want jQuery unobtrusive Ajax, and then download that. I already have it, so I'm just going to include it. You want to include the min version. So in my If I do not do this, Ajax helpers work in conjunction with the unobtrusive jQuery. One without the other is not going to get me anything. So this is very important. This step is very important. Okay, so I have the daily deal. I have the unobtrusive JavaScript jQuery included in my view. Now I can go to my store manager. So store manager, I have the usual index and all that. I'm going to add my method right after index. So that's gonna look like public action. Goes up. Okay, daily deal. That's my, and always this is going to return a view, right? Usually return a view. That's what we normally do. But in our situation, we are going to return a partial view. Before we even get there, let's talk about what is the data we want to pass. So we are going to somehow get an album. So we are going to say, okay, we are going to call a function and get an album and return that to the view, right? This is what we normally do. Okay, and don't worry about this at this point. Let's just assume this is what we want to do. Let's go back to our code. Okay, if you look here, when I click on daily deal or see my special today, I want my code to display right here. I want this portion, this to be pushed down, and I want to see my code here. I don't want it to go into a new screen. That is the reason why instead of using a view, we'll be using something called as a partial view.